Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Hyundai Elantra headlight. First, let's prepare for smooth and safe replacement. You'll need a new headlight bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, and some protective gloves. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and cool to the touch before you begin. Consulting your owner's manual is also a smart first step to confirm the exact bulb type for your specific Elantra model. This preparation saves time and ensures safety. Now that you're prepared, let's access the headlight bulb. Begin by opening your Hyundai Elantra's hood. Look behind the headlight unit. You'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the small tab on the connector and pull it straight off. Next, you might find a round dust cap covering the bulb housing. Twist this cap counterclockwise or unclip it to reveal the bulb itself. This step provides clear access for the replacement. With access gained, it's time to remove the old bulb and install the new one. Depending on your Elantra model, the bulb might be held in place by a retaining spring clip or a twist lock mechanism. Unclip the spring or twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the housing. You're almost done. Now let's test your new headlight and reassemble everything. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. If you removed a dust cap, replace it by twisting it clockwise or clipping it back on. Before closing the hood, turn on your Elantra's headlights to verify the new bulb illuminates properly. Finally, close the hood securely and remember to dispose of the old bulb in an environmentally friendly way. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.